Imagine entering a room where soft, recessed lighting glows from a floating panel overhead, gently outlining the space like a halo. Yet the entire upgrade cost less than a night out. Yes, modern false ceilings can do that. And today we're exploring how these stylish layers instantly elevate a home's character while staying kind to your wallet. Stick around because we're diving into trends, tricks, and practical design wisdom that can refresh any room from top to bottom. Literally. Before choosing patterns or colors, start by considering the ceiling's purpose. Do you want to boost warmth, hide wiring, or create dynamic zoning between kitchen and lounge? Clarifying the role helps narrow material choices. Gypsum for curves, PVC for humidity resistance, or wooden slats for acoustic comfort. This intention-first approach saves you costly rework and sets the stage for harmonizing furniture layouts, lighting intensity, and accent hues that echo your ceiling's personality. Seasonal styling can keep your ceiling feeling fresh year-round without renovations. In spring, swap to pastel throw pillows and sheer curtains that let natural light bounce off crisp white panels. When autumn chills arrive, richer textiles in ochre or burgundy pair beautifully with warm cove lighting tucked behind tray ceilings. Treat the ceiling as a silent partner in your color story, allowing seasonal accessories to play off its consistent architectural backbone. Budget concerns. Modular gypsum boards are surprisingly affordable and DIY friendly. Measure twice, cut once, and use concealed metal channels to secure panels. No heavy carpentry required. Because the joints are seamless, a single coat of primer prepares the surface for paint that matches surrounding walls, saving on specialty finishes. Pair this with energy-efficient LED strip lights and you'll recoup installation costs through lower utility bills, proving frugality and elegance can coexist overhead. Small spaces benefit hugely from reflective ceiling inserts. Glossy stretch films or mirrored acrylic sheets bounce daylight deeper into narrow hallways and compact studios, making square footage feel generous. Combine these reflective elements with low-profile furniture legs and transparent coffee tables so sightlines remain uninterrupted. The result is a vertically expanded illusion where the ceiling's sheen doubles perceived height without knocking down a single wall. Space optimization at its smartest. Open-concept homes often struggle with defining functional zones, but layered ceilings solve this subtly. Drop the ceiling a few inches above the dining area, integrate pendant lighting, and leave the adjacent living zone at full height. The gentle transition cues guests where meals happen, protecting conversation nooks from culinary bustle. Matching area rugs and complementary pendant finishes tie each zone together, maintaining flow while honoring distinct activities under one cohesive roofscape. Color psychology matters even overhead. Cool grays trimmed with metallic channels introduce a sophisticated, tech-forward vibe ideal for home offices. Conversely, creamy neutrals bordered by wooden beams create rustic tranquility perfect for bedrooms. When selecting tones, sample swatches under actual light temperatures you'll install. Daylight LEDs can cool warm paints, while warm whites intensify earth tone pigments. This simple test ensures ceiling and furnishings remain in chromatic harmony once lights switch on. Texture tells a tactile story even when untouched. Consider perforated gypsum panels for subtle depth or geometric MDF cutouts for contemporary flair. Pairing textured panels with smooth leather sofas sets up a pleasing contrast, preventing monotony across horizontal planes. Remember balance. If the ceiling pattern is intricate, keep floor rugs minimal and upholstery understated. Let one hero element lead while supporting actors whisper. For renters craving transformation without permanent change, clip-in ceiling tiles are heroes. Lightweight PVC panels snap into existing grid systems, hiding dated popcorn textures temporarily. Because they're removable, deposit returns stay safe. Complement the temporary upgrade by using tension rod drapery and peel and stick wall decals, creating a cohesive makeover that respects lease agreements yet feels fully personalized.